In this video, you're going to learn the things that you can be doing right now as a real estate professional to dominate online and become a force to be reckoned with in your local market. As someone who has 14 years experience in digital marketing and several more years after that, working mostly with real estate agents and other home industry professionals, I think I know a few things about where to start and where to improve your online marketing. So today I am breaking down these activities for improving your online presence by beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So there's a little bit of something for everyone. Let's start with the beginners. One of the easiest things that you can do right away as a real estate agent is to ask for testimonials for your Zillow, your Google, your Yelp, and beyond. This should be a priority for every real estate agent. It's very fundamental. Testimonials are pure gold for realtors, where your reputation and personal brand is super important. Having online testimonials in more places than just your website is also very important. It helps with your search ranking and how you're found when people are searching for agents, and they tend to be a bit more trustworthy when they're not on your website because people can see that you don't have full control over what is seen and presented and not. Fun fact, 41% of sellers who used a real estate agent found their agents through a referral by a friend or family member. All right, next up is start somewhere. The only way to get any traction is to start. Practice makes progress, so stop expecting perfection and stop looking for overnight successes. Take baby steps to start getting yourself online and be sure you take advantage of social media. According to NAR, social media brings in the highest quality leads at 47%, that's crazy, versus MLS sites at 32% and brokerage websites and listing aggregator sites both at only 29%. Okay, next up, let's talk about something that's near and dear to my heart. Let's stop believing that millennials don't buy homes. As an older millennial myself, I literally grew up in the home building industry and worked in it for several years before starting my digital marketing agency. And I can't tell you how many times I have heard that millennials don't buy homes. This was often after I had already purchased and sold several of my own homes that I have lived in. Young adults fueled the increase in home sales in 2020, with millennials making up the largest share of home buyers at 38%. Virtually all millennials, 98%, use the internet for their home search, and 78% of them found the home that they purchased on a mobile device last year. The moral of the story is millennials are out there buying homes, and you must be on social media and you must have good photos to showcase your homes, and you must make sure that your emails, your listings, and your website are all mobile dominant. Now let's talk about what you can do at their intermediate level once you got all that foundational stuff done. First step, go ahead and audit yourself. Take a good hard look at what you are currently doing and take note of your strengths and your weaknesses. Where do the opportunities lie, and where do you want to explore more growth strategies? This is the one place when looking at your competition is definitely a good thing. Compare their numbers to yours and see if they are missing anything that you can fill in. All right, second in the intermediate category, get more creative. When creating content, consider what people are searching for. Use something like Answer the Public or Google Trends to do research before you create your content. Have fun with your content and showcase your authentic self and strengths. Lastly, in the intermediate category is to change things up. The number one thing I tell social media managers and business folks alike when they say that their reach and engagement is down or stagnant is it's time to change things up. Algorithms show content to people who interact with that content type. So if you're seeing a decline, it's time to try something new. For example, if you're always posting photos because they've always done well, but lately they've not done so hot, try posting videos instead. Mix up your content medium on a regular basis to keep things fresh. It may just jumpstart the algorithmic reach engine when things stall out. All right, it's time to dive into more advanced strategies. So you've got all your ducks in a row, things are going smoothly, but you're thinking, what else can I do to level up? The first thing I recommend when you want to level up is with the help of chat marketing. Messenger and SMS are two of my favorite ways to give personalized and immediate help to those looking. Now, according to Real Estate Trainer, your chances of securing a new client plummet if you don't respond into the inquiry within 5 minutes. What's more, almost 78% of homebuyers choose the real estate agent who answered them first. Now, I understand that it is impossible to be everywhere doing everything all at the same time, which is why a great messenger bot assistant can help capture those leads until you have a chance to truly follow up yourself. Did you know that last year, 2020, was the first year in history there were more messaging app users than social media app users? So if you want to get into the future of marketing, consider chat marketing. If you want to learn more about messenger bots and chat marketing, you definitely want to go explore my other YouTube channel, Baby Got Bot. I went ahead and linked it down in the description below, so it's super easy to find. My other more advanced strategy is to make sure that you are involved in video marketing. Whether you're doing short form video, answering website inquiries with video answers, by the way, be sure to check out this video link right here because you're going to be able to learn about my favorite video chat tool, VidAsk. I've also linked it down below. Or you could go jumping into live video. Video is one of the most powerful tools in a real estate professional's toolbox when it comes to online marketing for their brand and for their business. Remember that some think that advanced means that you have to do everything and be everywhere, and it does not. Advanced or a master of this means you have narrowed in on what worked and you continue to try and improve on that. You are always looking for new and creative ways to be better and create better. So keep learning, keep adapting, and no matter your level, always remember that you do not need 1 million followers to make a huge impact. It really just takes one lead to sell a house. I hope you found this video helpful. Please be sure to subscribe as I continue to bring you more strategies and ideas to explore in your marketing. Now, get out there and start creating.